Representando o meu país, com havaianas no meu pé e uma flor na raiz. Eu vou levando esse som representando o meu país, com havaianas no meu pé e uma flor na raiz. Eu não sou hippie, eu não sou hype, eu não sou chique nem sou
Watched Juan Bailarina, or in Spanish would be La Sublevación, a wonderful film by Brazilian director Rafael Aguinaga. I think it was a great idea to include this movie in this festival, and we hope you the best of all successes for the rest of the festival and even for next year. Thank you very much.
Well, I just saw Serra, Pelada, the film, and it was very interesting to me because I knew of its existence and I had seen the photographs, but the film brought it to the present, just to last year, what has happening. And I had no idea of that. It's just quite incredible.
It put into focus the whole operation. I'm doing some consulting work there for Colossus, and it put the whole project into focus. There were so many sites there that I just saw 2 weeks ago. Loved it.
Representando o meu país, com havaianas no meu pé e uma flor na raiz.
Just saw Neighboring Sounds. It was great, but we want to know what happened April 27th, 1984. So if you can find out, let us know.
I won the tickets for Song Hello or Neighboring Sounds. I work with the Brazilian Studies seminar at York University, so I was really happy to win the tickets from Laktio. I actually live in Recife, so it was a great chance. Actually, one of my friends is one of the extras in the film, so it was an amazing opportunity to see the film, especially here at the Light Box, and it was a great experience. I love the movie. Everyone should go see it.
The movie along the way, the story is very good. My wife Dolores talked to me about Roberto Carlos, and she indicated to me what is his story. And now I saw the movie, I understand. I understand the song of Roberto Carlos, and it's very, very, very good. This movie was, I think, the best movie that I saw from Brazil. And I like it very much, and I would like to thank the Brazil Festival to allow me to see that movie and understand Roberto Carlos and the story. Thank you very much.
So I thought it was, it's good to see a show about men and about fathers and about their role in the family. It's an important role, and it's a role women have to take more seriously because we're losing them one by one.
Foi ótimo, eu adorei, convido todos a vamos me prestigiar.
Sou made in Brasil, Brasil de tantos, Brasil da Bahia, de todos os santos. Sou made in Brasil, e samba o dia inteiro, com saudades da Bahia e amor ao Rio de Janeiro.